Morning students. Our today's topic is checkout procedure. There are basically four stages of a guest cycle. First is the pre-arrival, that is before the guest arrives. Second is arrival of the guest. Third is during the stay of the guest. And the last one is the departure of the guest. The front office department basically performs three main functions during the checkout and settlement process. First is it resolves outstanding guest accounts balances, that is the credit and debit. It updates room status information. Types of accounting systems. First one is manual, procedure done with pen and paper and manpower. Second one is semi-automatic, a computer and electromechanical device like cash register is used. Comparing manual and automatic systems. Manual system. Manual system has excessive workload. Each section does not specify work. No chance of learning the work in other sections. Scheduling of staff was contact based. Semi an automatic system, lesser workload, all sections can handle any type of tasks, cross-training of employees, possible and desirable, cross-trained staff permits, flexibility schedules. What happens during the checkout? The guest reviews account, settles it, gets a signed copy of a bill, and submits the room keys. Any unpleasantness during checkout will make the guest forget all the previous niceness. Any haste on cashier's part will be bad. Billing disputes on checkouts may result in legal issues. How to avoid glitches during checkouts. Confirm mode of payment and stay during arrival of the guest. Get pre-authorization of credit card and check availability. Explain the check-in checkout policy at the time of check-in. Non-automated front office systems are handwritten forms, reservation index checks, density board showing blocked reserved rooms, registration cards, time stamp, room rack, housekeeping status of each room, vouchers received from point of sale areas, charges handwritten on folios. Semi-automated front office systems are handwritten on machine-produced forms, national reservation networks, pre-registration activities, density board blocked reserved rooms, registration cards, pre-printed and multiple copies, room racks, housekeeping status of each room. Fully automated systems. Fully automated systems are equipped with a software package called PMS. Online credit authorization terminals, electronic guest folios, electrically posted guest accounts, process continuous trial balance, and automatically produce bills. Self-checkout facilities are provided in some automated hotels. Checkout manual system. Here the challenge is to ensure that all charges from all revenue departments reach front office before the guest leaves the hotel. Timely communication, prompt response, and accurate updating of necessary bills are to be required. Manual checkout. Left side is basically the debit side, and the right side is the credit side. Manual checkout steps. Checkout request received from guest. Bellboy sent to room for luggage and room check. Departure errand card filled by bellboy. Departure notification slip sent to all POS. Last minute expenses of guests added to their account. Luggage out pass, no dues pending, issued to permit guests to leave the hotel. Marketing activities done including future booking. All departments, especially housekeeping and point of sales, are informed about the guest departure to update room status. Room rack is updated on to on change vacant. Guest history card. It is basically get filled by the guest at the front office department. It helps the guest. It helps the hotel in offering personalized service during next visits. Allows for strategic marketing campaigns according to the guest travel and buying patterns. Guest feed form. It also the cashier is expected to inquire from the guest about the quality of stay, services, facilities, and staff behavior. A feedback form. may not be the best thing to fill when people are anxiously waiting to check out and catch a flight. Either placing the form in the room one day before or sending an email, Google informs forms type maybe is the best place, is the best idea. Departure errand card. This card is basically filled by the hotel staff for every departure of the guest. It includes the reception, cashier, information about the departure and time of the guest, room number. Bellboy, the bellboy who takes the guest luggage from the guest room to the checkout department. Name of the guest, room number, and it also includes the details of the articles carried. That is the suitcases, handbags, packages, briefcase, overcoats, etc. Next is the departure notification slip. This slip is ba- this slip is prepared by the front office department reception. This is to inform that the guest is departing from the hotel, and it's sent to the other departments, sub departments of the hotel. If they have any extra charges of the guest, which is to be for which they have to be filled and sent to the reception, so that they can be added to the guest bill. Luggage pass out, luggage out pass. In this, the name of the guest, room number, date of the departure, and time of the departure, and the room number and the room which he had occupied is stated, and the bill number, which is filled by the front office department, and the details of the bills are mentioned in it. Guest folio. Guest folio is details of the guest, that when he had arrived and when he has departed, plus how many numbers of the people were with him, and the room number, rate, room charge, guest folio. It. Thank you. This was the manual system of the guest checkout. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the automated and semi-automated systems of the guest checkout.